I picked this out especially for you. I don't have a shiny jacket, and I said I better get one just for this interview. What do you think?
That's pretty cool. It's from Zara.
No, it's not from Zara.
I think it's really slick. I think it looks really cool.
Well, thank you. It's actually Dolce & Gabbana. So, and I got this especially for you.
Mine's. Did you buy it?
I bought a Dolce & Gabbana jacket just so I could be here looking like you guys, because that's how much you've inspired me in my life.
Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you.
Lads, how's the old Gaeilge?
How's the Gaeilge?
Conas atá an cúpla focal.
Tá go má. Sha. Guys, basically me and John is that we're better at Irish when you write it on paper, like for essays and stuff, but when you like speak it, we're not that great.
Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby.
Have you never been to the Gaeltacht? That was actually my first legitimate
question.
question.
I'd love to have gone to Gaeltacht. I'm always like to my mom, can I go to Gaeltacht? And they're like, no. And like,
And now you've missed that boat.
Yeah, I've missed
I know
that.
you might be riding the crest of X Factor and being practically world famous now, but you'll never get to go to Irish college.
But we might do like a special, go to, I don't know, could go to Irish college. Because Irish is really important. Like, cause here I was kind of like talking about no one likes Irish that much.
Everybody loves Irish. That's why they all watch my show, because they just love Irish and they love, you know, it's not because they love me, it's because they love the language so much. That was a clear.
I watched it all the time. I remember you used to always talk about the music videos now. I always watched it. It's like the only channel that actually showed music videos.
Amen to that.
The block was dead, Joe, so I continued to A1A Beachfront Avenue.
Pressure, pushing down.
And X Factor tour is coming up. That's going to be whopper exciting. How are you feeling about it?
I'm really excited about it because we have like loads of dates in Ireland, like Dublin and Belfast.
With girls or just with?
Oh no, like music dates. So we like perform in the O2 Arena, so it's kind of cool that we get to like perform for all our fans, like that huge quantity. It's kind of cool. Like we have 57 dates, and then after that, and after the X Factor tour, we're like touring all around Ireland, like each county, all throughout April. That's gonna be kind of fun. Like we'll go to like Donegal, Dublin, Cork, everywhere.
Perhaps you could combine actual dates with girls with the X Factor dates, and then you have this kind of hybrid of music and romantic dates.
Can we do that?
We could call them rates.
Are you like to do that?
Well, I guess so. You know.
But it's so cool because today, like, we're doing our signing in Dundrum of a brand new single. It comes with like a double-sided poster and everything, and it's with Vanilla Ice.
Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you.
You've mega fans, and I saw a girl running faster than
Like
I thought
ultra
girls could
fans.
actually run outside.
Because loads of girls now have like I Love Jedward t-shirts. Don't you have like the classic kind of I Love New York t-shirt?
My sister
now it's
has an
like,
I Love Jedward t-shirt.
yeah, it's like the Irish thing. When you come to Ireland, you need to get one of those t-shirts. It's a trademark. You gotta get one. It's like oh my god, I'm going to Ireland. And it's kind of weird because like it's like now Planet Jedward. So like our website's like planetjedward.net. Our Twitter Planet Jedward.
Planet
it's like a
Jedward, I
planet.
love
And we're always tweeting on our fans at Planet Jedward.
Oh, you do? You go and you do it? Good.
Like, we told everyone we're coming to the airport last week, and there was like 300 girls there going, it was like crazy, and it's so cool. Like all our fans are so supportive.
Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you.
You know the way I look like you now a little bit?
Yeah.
Maybe not the hair is
No,
not
I think
cool.
you look like us. I think you look pretty cool.
But lads, if one of you was to get sick, right, I've actually learned off the first bit of Ice Ice Baby. So if one of you get sick, I could stand in.
Yeah, it's gonna happen, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, stop!
Collaborate and listen.
Jedward's back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow to the extreme. Rock a mic like a vandal. Back the stage, watch it chomh like a candle.
Pressure,